So in today's video, we are going to discuss how to design a responsive manage users page in our admin panel using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. So here we are in our admin panel and we have linked in our manage users page over here. So I'm going to click on it and here we go. So this is basically the design of our manage users page. So we have a white color header. So basically we don't have a previous header which is from a PHP program. So this is just a in-page header, and in that we have manage all users, and we have aligned it to the center, and then again in our background we again have another input field aligned to our center, and with a small space in between that we have our search button here. So then that is that, and then after that we have a table like format. So basically we have divided the 12 columns of a page using the Bootstrap system. So basically there are 7 columns here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the 7th one here. So here we can we have the profile image, username, email, mobile and registered date, and the blocking option, and below that we have our users here. So we have the names taken directly in from our database, and we are also able to block and unblock our users as well. So that is it for the user interface of our manage users page. Let's move on to our code where we discuss how we created this. So what we have here is a PHP program, and here we have our database connection. We have opened up a session, and then we have taken our mail and linked it to a variable. We have a product title and our CSS files over here, and if we go down we have our JavaScript files over here, and then above this we have our pages pagination. So that's where we can switch between the number of pages, and then we have the manage all users option. So this is the title, and it has the color background white, and here the rest of the page, the body style has a linear gradient. And moving down we are able to see our search user button, which is on the same column 3, so basically on the right side of the page. And then moving down we have divided the pages in of the Bootstrap column system. So that's 12 columns for a full page. So we have divided it as follows, so that it displays the ID, the profile image, username, email, mobile, registered date, and the status. So moving down we have our database search query to select all from user, and then we have the results per page as 20, and then we take the selected data from our users, and from here, from the selected data, we'll be having the values shown below. So basically the ID, then the email, first name and last name, then the email of the user, mobile, and the join date. Then we are able to block and unblock our product. So here we are able to block our product if it's the red button we are showing displaying the word block, and if it's the green button displaying the word unblock, we can unblock it as well. So that's a JavaScript function which we have right here. So here we are able to block our product, and here if you can see if it is blocked currently, then we can our response text, if it says it's blocked, then we can see the unblocking process here and a green color button, and if it's unblocked, vice versa. And if we go to our user block process, which we have here we can see we have taken the relevant data from our database, and if the user number is 1 and if the status is equal to 1, then the status gets set as 0, and then it gets blocked and it will echo block. And if it is equal to 0 and we click on and we get a click, then the status is set to 1 and it will show unblock. If this does not happen, it will say something went wrong and cannot find the user, please try again later. Otherwise it will say something went wrong. So moving back to our manage users page. We have a view message modal, so that will open up when we click on the image which we have here of our sellers. So that will open up a message modal right here, as we can see here. And that is it for this video on how to design a responsive manage users page in the admin panel. Thank you for watching.